I'm sometimes considered a little bit too hardcore because I choose to stay flexing my double X on these cats. I try to tell them, yes, I be woman. The earth tends to sway beneath my feet when I walk because my mother has rhythm, so I guess it's just in my nature. Bombshell diva, thighs thick as Steve's or like Big Mama's cornbread mix, yes. I be cayenne pepper spicy, mixed with hints of sweet like Creole seasoning, but don't get it confused. I walk queen-like, so my attitude has no choice but to follow suit. Born warrior, you can catch me in the concrete jungle rocking my combat boots, back poised and strong as if the world leans against it for a moment of rest. I be sandpaper rough, smoothing out your rigid edges. I be old school like throwbacks and slick back edges, yes. But sometimes I consider just a little bit too hardcore because I choose to stay flexing my double X on these cats. I try to tell them, yo, I be woman.
Yeah. Where you at? Come on. She started with a daydream, working on a maybe, focusing on being there. Standing in the mirror, striking, posing for the camera in her mind, keeping all the doubt behind her. She's on a golden path, laying every brick as she goes, and it's only her who knows that her purpose is the real truth. She's not afraid that she'll lose, cause there's no such thing when you're doing something special. More or less, she just feels equal, listening to beats in her headphones. She writes everywhere she goes on napkins and paper bags. See, words are her birthright. Sometimes she stays up all night.